My first vegetarian dish. No charcoal, no meat, and it might be the best thing I've posted. This is done with Didge. Avocado oil, poke, oil, season, wrap. It's as simple as that. Garlic yogurt first. This is your base and it needs to be made ahead of time so the flavours develop. Herb drizzle, lemon zest, lemon juice, parsley, fresh garlic, oregano, and avocado oil. Watch that consistency change when the oil goes in. This is the moment. Hit it with some garlic powder, smoked paprika, and get it back on the heat. Chilli oil from scratch, chili flakes, cumin, garlic. Listen to that. Yogurt base down first. Potato on top. Herb drizzle. Chili oil. And some rocket. That's pure gold. My first vegetarian dish. The star of the show. Sweet potato. If you don't like sweet potato, you're not from this planet. It's delicious, nutritious, and healthy. Homemade. Delicious. Last bite. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you dine with Didge. See you on the next one.